Hi, welcome to the Rug Spa Carpet Cleaning. My name is Michael and I'd like to personally thank you for choosing the Rug Spa Carpet Cleaning today. Our service includes free pickup and delivery, and all rugs undergo an 8-step cleaning process in our professional rug cleaning workshop. The 8-step cleaning treatments are pre-inspection of rug using an ultraviolet light for invisible stains. 2. Pre-vacuum rug from back to front. 3. Pre-treat any stubborn stains. 4. Pre-spray with gentle rug cleaning solution and general sanitizer. 5. Use an agitation scrubber to loosen any deeply embedded soils. 6. Steam clean extraction method. 7. Rug grooming with rake and deodorizing. 8. Air movers are applied for faster drying. To begin with, we use a specialized ultraviolet light to check for any stains that may not be visible with the naked eye. Vacuuming. We carry out a thorough pre-vacuum. This ensures that we vibrate out as many of the fine dirt particles as possible from the back to the front. Pre-testing for color fastness and pre-treating stains. Any potential difficult stains will be pre-treated with a special solution to increase the chances of stain removal. The fringes are also pre-treated in this step. We pre-spray the rug with a gentle cleaning solution prior to using an agitation rotary scrubber with gentle bristles to loosen embedded soils. Next, the steam cleaning extraction method is used. Depending on your rug, we can dial down temperature and pressure for steam cleaning. After steam cleaning your rug, we use a special rake to groom the pile, to open the fibers, to increase for air drying, and after this step we deodorize your rug. After steam cleaning, we use professional air movers to facilitate the drying of your rug. Lastly, your rugs are hung overnight in a controlled environment with air movers flowing to ensure complete dryness. After your rug has been professionally cleaned, we will contact you and arrange a time for the delivery of your rug. At the Rug Spa Carpet Cleaning, we are your rug's best friend. We have both the knowledge and expertise to match the most effective and appropriate rug cleaning method for your rugs today. Please make sure you like and share, and we look forward to seeing you soon.